Okaru lo apia lo atubor abwe minister lo chichi lo Teso Dr. Kenneth Clement ongalobote itege project lo ayo arisubanedeke o district ani kanyango no bon konye kawranete na jaki na polo kito kaja kanuto arabonat chaos kaya itokunu ikitom ka district ani chelu ko Teso ainyabu na swame project lo ko ibuga soroti lolom aponi lepu na ebunido Teso kera dumuna kangini district esirigini million na kaisare kanu akiro kanu okarulo la piai la ilukumnia la kaisara nuni keda kaisara longon.
We as Teso region must reach a common understanding of the environmental challenges affecting us and our region, and we establish how to overcome these challenges. This is critical as a new and growing city. We need to achieve agenda of sustainable development goal of 2030. We are faced with challenges of urbanization as a city and small industries. We see this all around in our city.
Idi sultan luiteta lude tolomun kanwa medano project kalo okaru lopelo kesi butebo kabremaido ngora buga soroti ka kumi municipality esomalo ya pese kirigim OPM Andrew Kagwa ngesi ebala eloskitos kesi ayukun milioni na kwatara kese kenyeuni kanu aitolose project la natari Teso kere okaru lo.
This project commenced in the financial year 22-23 within 9 districts. Each of these districts was supported by 20 million shillings to undertake environmental conservation and protection interventions last financial year. That means we supported the 9 districts with 180 million shillings across all the 9 districts. Within this financial year, 23-24, this project has been rolled out to all. We have added Ibutebo, we have added Kaberamaido, Kaberabion, Soroti City, and the Ekwamin municipality. And each local government is again going to be supported with 20 million shillings, and that will bring the total to 280 million shillings this financial year. The purpose of this meeting is to review the performance of this project last financial year. Honorable Minister, a quick look at what has been found in the field is that all the 9 districts that implemented the project last financial year are doing fairly well. We shall encourage those districts that don't perform well to emulate those districts that performed well and draw lessons from the previous experiences.
This is a program that we have initiated with districts for environmental restoration and conservation. And it looks at trying to restore the parts of our environment that have been irreversibly degraded now, and to conserve those parts that can be allowed to grow back if they are not destroyed by human activity. So districts can choose if they want to plant trees, no problem. If they want to protect wetlands or protect forests which are already there, no problem, provided it is used for environmental purposes. So this has been running for 1 year, and I want all the districts of Teso to know that the last year was a pilot year, and we had only 9 districts, but we are now rolling it out. Next financial year, this program will be rolled out to every district in Teso. But conserving the environment really does not require money. It requires a mindset change from we, the users of the environment, about what kind of environment we inherited from our parents and what kind of environment we want to leave for our children.
Nela kwa pepejon lo aingo sibibi kauriani te kanam minister ongalo ngesi abalebe edolita ichata aite monokina ainingo city na Ekuse lo Ikwamin kope kwa nam araimam ibuni adero chane kingo.
And if we do not take action now, I can assure you
20 years from now, don't even think of 50, 20 years from now, the impact on our lives is going to be so severe that those of you who are alive today and will be alive then will find it hard to recognize the world you are in at that time as compared to now. We are seeing all sorts of happenings now. Floods where there were no floods before. Rains where there should be sunshine. Rising water levels. All of this is part of climate change. And it is only beginning. There will be famine. There will be migrations. This is why I say the next world war, the third world war, will not be fought over ideology. It will not be fought over territory. It will be fought over food. Because it is going to be so difficult to grow food that if you have food, you are at risk of being invaded by people who want food. 30, 40 years from now, we will have to mutate to survive. We may have to somehow just adopt by naturally changing the way we look. The proof that the climate change is real is the change in the size of underwear from the 50s to now. The underwear of the 50s used to be here, then it came here, then it is here, and now it's a G-string. So maybe we will have to walk naked at some point when it becomes so hot.
Delax Emi Alamu, Kanuka TV East.